Hi guys, I'm Nicole and I'm the Selfish Sewist. Today I wanted to come and share with you what I bought while I was on vacation. My husband and I went to Lake Tahoe with my brother, sister-in-law, and their family, and then we went back to the Bay Area and spent a couple of days there. So I went up to Berkeley and went to Stone Mountain & Daughter, since that's probably my favorite fabric store that I've been in so far. So I did a little bit of shopping there, and then I also went to Britex Fabrics. So if you're interested in seeing what I bought, let's go ahead and get started. So the first thing I bought is this knit that I got from Stone Mountain & Daughter. I got 3 yards of this, and I think this is a Ponte, but I just thought this colorway was like super beautiful, and now that we are moving into fall and winter, this would make some nice pieces for that time of year. So this was the first thing that I bought. And then up in their clearance section, I found this rayon spandex mix. I would dress this color and get a ton of compliments on it, so I thought that this would be nice. I really haven't decided what I'm doing with any of this fabric yet. This was just kind of a few things I wanted to pick up. It's always just nice to go and feel fabrics, and since we don't have a ton of options here, like we do have one nice store here in Albuquerque, but for the most part we just don't have a ton of selection, so it's always nice just to go and put your hands on some things and feel some different fabrics. So I did get this. I really like it. I kind of, actually, to be honest, want to make pajamas out of it. It just feels so soft. So like I said, this was just a rayon spandex jersey. And then I bought this really pretty, like, it's like this rusty gold. This is I'm pretty sure this is Robert Kaufman, the linen with this like metallic threading through it. And I thought this rust was really pretty and would be pretty for fall. So I think I got 4 yards of this because I was thinking maybe the Sew House 7T dress, but I haven't totally decided on that yet, if that would be too sparkly. But I just thought this rust was really pretty and really different. So I picked that up. And then the last thing I got from Stone Mountain & Daughter, I do know, so I'm going to make another Charlie caftan out of this because I just can't get away from that pattern. But this is this beautiful, 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 this is a double gauze. It stays hot here through August and September, so I'll definitely get some wear out of this before I, you know, before it gets cold. But I just kind of love this abstract pattern, and this is the softest, like smoothest double gauze. This is so nice. This was kind of pricey. I want to say this was $22 a yard, but I don't even care. It feels nice. I know I'm gonna love the caftan in it, so I'm really excited to get started on this. And that was all that I bought from Stone Mountain & Daughter, but we flew into San Francisco, and so we stopped at Britex before we actually even went to Lake Tahoe, it's just a cool store. It's a really neat store. They have some really, really beautiful, super high-end stuff, which I obviously wasn't in the market for, but it's just neat to see all of those things that they have. But I did actually find this in the remnant bin, and again, this is just a knit. But this was kind of, let's see. It looks like this was originally $59 a yard. This was in the remnant bin, so I got 1 1/3 yards for $25. And I think I'm just gonna make a nice like stretchy pencil skirt out of this, but it does, like, it feels super nice, and I love this color, so I was really excited to find that and just kind of to get something from there, because it is just such a cool store. So That is all the shopping I did on my trip. I am officially out of fabric storage room, so I probably won't have another haul until maybe Black Friday time, but I did want to come and share these purchases with you. If you guys do like this type of video, go ahead and like and subscribe, and I will see you all very soon. Bye!